Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to learn a very important name reaction, that is the Swern oxidation. In this reaction, a primary or secondary alcohol reacts with an intermediate in situ generated by the reaction between dimethyl sulfoxide and oxalyl chloride at minus 78 degrees centigrade, followed by reaction with triethylamine at minus 78 degrees centigrade to room temperature to produce aldehyde or ketone. Mechanism of Swern oxidation. Dimethyl sulfoxide has negatively charged oxygen and positively charged sulfur. Oxalyl chloride has electrophilic carbonyl carbon. Attack of oxygen of dimethyl sulfoxide on carbonyl carbon of oxalyl chloride followed by removal of chloride ion gives 2-chloro-2-oxoacetoxy dimethyl sulfonium chloride. Attack of chloride ion on sulfur eliminates carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and chloride ion to produce chloro-dimethyl sulfonium ion, which is active species in Swern oxidation. Alcohol then attacks on sulfur of this active species to produce dimethyl sulfonio alkyl oxonium chloride. Proton abstraction by chloride ion removes HCl to produce alkoxy dimethyl sulfonium ion. Methyl proton is acidic due to the presence of positive charge on sulfur. Triethylamine abstracts this proton to produce sulfonium elite, which undergoes intramolecular proton abstraction like this, eliminating dimethyl sulfide to produce aldehyde or ketone. Examples of Swern oxidation: 1-propanol, benzyl alcohol, 2-propanol and 1-phenylethanol when undergo Swern oxidation produce propionaldehyde, benzaldehyde, acetone and acetophenone respectively. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.